The story of airlines is not just about planes. It's about dreams, risks, and a race to conquer the sky. In the 1920s, America was still young in aviation. Pilots known as Barnstormers would fly across the countryside, performing daring stunts, jumping from planes, and offering rides to anyone who was brave enough to pay a few dollars. The excitement was contagious. The idea of commercial air travel was born. By the 1930s, airlines entered a new age. Companies like United, American, and TW became household names. Air travel went from adventure to business. The DC-3 transformed the industry. Flying was safer, smoother, and more reliable. And suddenly, it was accessible to everyone, not just the rich. World War II pushed aviation even further. Jet engines, radar, and stronger designs changed everything. When the war ended, those advancements entered commercial aviation. The jet age had begun. Flying was now about speed and power. Boeing's 707 roared into the skies, carrying hundreds across oceans in just hours. You could cross the Atlantic, something that once took days by ship. From coast to coast, America was connected like never before. And today, airlines continue to push the boundaries of what's possible.